Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be learning how to sign up for or register for US Bank online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get into it. So first you go to Google and then type in US Bank. And after that, you will be brought this website, the usbank.com, which is the official website of US Bank. You click there, and then here in the right-hand corner, you have this option to log in. And if you cannot log in, since we need to sign up, you will click on Create a Username and Password. You click there, and you'll be redirected to a new web page. And here you will have to verify the kind of account you have with US Bank. If it's a personal or a business account. And once you click on personal account, you will have to make sure that you have a debit or credit card number, or your account number, or your PIN number, and your social security number, at least the last 4 digits. And here you will fill in your account details, the last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you have a PIN number, you will fill up your PIN number, and if you don't, then you will click on No, I don't have a PIN. After you do that, you click on Continue, and then you click on, and you will be brought onto the next page, which is Protect, where you will set up a PIN number for your online banking for security purposes, and you will give a consent form after that. Then after that, you will just confirm you create a username and a password for your online banking services, and with that, you'll be done with your registering for online banking. So I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.